Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ROG Phone 3 and let me share with you how to enable the Talkback mode on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, so let's do it, and now we have to scroll down and find accessibility. Here we've got the Talkback option, so let's tap on it, and before turning on this mode, let's customize it. Let's tap on the settings, and here we've got actually a lot of options which we can customize. So for example, we can decide if you'd like to speak the passwords, if you'd like to feel the vibration feedback after tapping. It's really up to you, just customize it by tapping on this switcher. What's more, we can set the gestures, so as you can see here you can decide if you'd like what you want to do after swiping up, down, left, right, up, then down. Just tap on it, and here you've got all the options from which we can choose. So for example, after swiping up then down, you can for example scroll forward. So just have fun with this section, but let me leave it like this and let me turn on the Talkback. So simply tap on this switcher here. Now your device is telling you that the Talkback needs to have full control of your device, so it has to view and control the screen and view and perform actions. So simply tap on allow. And we should hear the feedback from our device.
Talkback on.
Yes.
Talkback is a screen reader.
As you can hear, here we've got the Talkback turned on, and your device just opened the tutorial, so of course you can go through it and learn how to use this mode. But right now I will show you the shortcut of it, because I know that sometimes you can turn it on accidentally and actually you have no idea what you can do. So firstly, let me show you how to use something or how to choose something. For example, the back button. So let's tap on it. You'll see a green frame and of course hear the feedback from your device, and then to activate, double tap. As you can see, we just got back to the Talkback. So let me do it again and again, and we are in the general settings. So here I can show you how to swipe, because it's also quite a useful feature. So you have to use two fingers to do that, this way or this way, but as you can see it's quite tricky to do it this way, so I highly recommend to use the very first option. So actually now I can show you how to turn off the Talkback. So all you have to do is simply go back to accessibility, tap on it, double tap, tap on the Talkback, double tap, tap on the switcher, double tap, tap on stop and double tap. And actually that's all. This is how to enable the Talkback mode in your ASUS ROG Phone 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.